Welcome back in Singapore's National Sailing Centre and Day 2 of the Fish & Co Youth Sailing Championships, where over 370 sailors are enjoying the high-level racing here. In the Optimist fleet is reigning champion Muhammad Shah from Malaysia, who is focused on defending his title. He has lost some ground due to inconsistency and currently sits in 7th place. Chasing another year of success is the 2014 silver medalist, Malaysia's Muhammad Rozani, and bronze medalist Ryan Kwok of Singapore. Both have delivered solid performances so far, but points are close and it would be too early to speculate on their chances of repeat successes. The large fleet in the Bide class has so far awarded those who can find a clear lane and space to make gains on the packed racetrack. Singapore's Samuel Neo was super consistent yesterday and has perfectly executed his successful race strategy again today to rule at the front of the fleet. Talking about success, in the 420 class on Race Area A, we find some of the hardest working Singaporean sailors. Dedication rewards, and these youngsters have already tasted the glory of prestigious titles. Lo Ya-yi, Yuki Yokoyama and Bertha Han are all former Optimist world champions and are now putting in all their efforts to succeed in the 420 class.
The world title has helped me to give me the passion to continue sailing, to give me the motivation to know that I can actually compete at a very high level, and I hope that it will continue to always inspire me to do my best.
With the penultimate day kicking in tomorrow, we are a step closer to the exciting finale of the Fish & Co Youth Sailing Championships 2015. Don't miss it!